Hi, and welcome to our 20th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they call me DJ, and I'm from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist you and your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting and software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today we're going to be reviewing page size, okay, in Excel. And I've done a spreadsheet for you so that we can take a look at that together. Okay, page size is so simplistic. You would go into the page layout, and right here where it says size, okay, you click on the paper. It will bring you a drop-down menu of all the different page sizes that they have. All you want to do is click in the sizes, and that's what size your chart will be. This chart that we've worked on previously is all set, so we're not going to change it at this time, but that's how you would change your page sizes, okay? And then once you change that, you can just go ahead and design your spreadsheet, you know, however you wish, but here's an example for you to take a look at, okay? Excuse me. Okay, so to close with that, thank you for taking the time to review Excel with us. There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little bit more about Excel. We will provide you with a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and to customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs that will help your business be more streamlined and more cost efficient, which is so important. We'd like to take this time to thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel Program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.